Okay. Shade the region x is 2.10. Shade a region 2x plus 3y less than or equal to 35, y greater than or equal to x greater than or equal to 5. So how to shade a region? So shade a region, first step is what? We have to draw the graph for the given equation. What are the equation here? There are three equations. 2x plus 3y less than or equal to 35, y greater than or equal to 2, and x is greater than or equal to 5. So there are three equations. Suppose one equation now is just draw the graph and finding uh, draw the graph. If you draw the graph, suppose there is just only one line na இப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா, so there are two parts. One is above this line and below this line. You just take the points and substitute in the question. If you get the equality correct now, you will shade. If you don't get the equality correct now, you will shade here. Correct? That is the answer. But here there are three equations. So if you get more than one equation, and if you want to find shade a region now, so you have to substitute the same method, but after substituting and after finding the region, so only shade a common place between the two equation. Common place, common region. What is the common term between? Okay. So listen. So first of all, I have to draw the graph for 2x plus 3y less than or equal to 35. So this is not 5. So this is 35. Yeah. So this is 35. Okay. Okay, if I put x value 0 na, 3x value is 35. So y value is 35 by 2. So I don't want any rational number here, because if you get rational number it will be more complicated. Okay, so try to get one integer, full integer. So if I put x value 1, 2 into 1 is 2. Plus 2 goes to that side, it will be minus 2. So 35 minus 2 is equal to 33. And 3y is equal to 33. And y is equal to what? So 3y is equal to 33 now. Y value is for 33 divided by 3. So answer is 11. Okay, and then same method, if I put x value 4, 2 4s are 8, plus side goes to that side, minus 8, 35 minus 8 is what? 27. So 3y is equal to 27. So y value what? 9. So y value is 9. Y value is 9. Okay, so x value 1, y value 4, y value 11, y value 9. Okay. Okay. So 0, I just take 2 units. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then 12. Okay, so if you put x value 1, what you will get? 11. So x value 1 is here, is x value 1, 11 is here. Correct? So the point is, this is our point. What is the point? 1 comma 11. 1 comma 11. And then if I put 4, what you will get? 9. So this is a 9 value, here 4. So the point is here, 4 comma 9. And draw that line. So draw the line through this point. Okay, so try to draw clearly. Okay, that line must be intersect with x-axis. That is full joint agone could intersect agone. Okay, it's okay, fine. So this is a normal graph. So if you get only this line, only this equation only now, you directly find out, yeah, in the place in the question you just to find out this is the 12 point. Okay, so before 12 point take any point, and after 12 take any point. Okay, so before 12 means you can take, yeah, you can take this 10 value. What is the 10 value here? 10 value in another. So when y axis the 10 value is, so x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is only 10. So 0 comma 10, 0 comma 8, 0 comma 6, 0 comma 4, 0 comma 2, 0 comma 0. So there are so many points you can take. Okay, you can take it and substitute and you will get the answer. same here only we can use here, but here there are another equation. What is the equation? Y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2 means this is y axis, here this is 2. So y is equal to 2 means horizontally we have to draw one line, and that point, that line must be intersected with other line. And x is equal to 5. Where is the 5? Here is 5. Draw one line vertically, must be intersected with other line. Okay, so all three lines are intersected. Now I am going to find out whether the points are in which region. So first point is, okay, so 2x plus 3y greater than or equal to 35. This is our question, correct? So where is this line? So this is the this is the say 2x plus 3y greater than or equal to 35 line, correct? So here 12. So before this is 11 only we have a point, yeah. So before 11 I can take 0 comma 10 0 comma 8 0 comma 6 0 comma 4 0 comma 2, so on, with whatever you want you can take it. I take 0 comma 0, very very smallest. If you substitute 0 comma 0 in x place y place, what you will get? 0 plus 0, so 0 greater than or equal to 35. Is it correct? Sorry, so question is 2x plus 3y less than or equal to 35, correct? So if I take 0 comma 0 and substitute in this equation, what you will get? 0 plus 0 is 0 plus 0 is less than or equal to 35. Yeah, so 0 is less than or equal to 35 is correct answer only, because 35 is greater than 0. So this is correct. So what is the region we have? So this line is in the side left must be true, because I just take 0 comma 0. Where is 0 comma 0? Here only, correct? So in the side தான் வரும். Suppose if I take 0 comma 13, so apart from 12 எடுத்தா that is true இருந்ததுன்னா you will draw towards this line here. Okay, so but here I took 0 comma 0. 0 comma 0 is interior of that line, so this is our region. And also y greater than or equal to 2, so this is the y is equal to 2 line, correct? What are the points here? 2 comma 0. So above 2 comma 0 or below 2 comma 0, take any point. So I'm going to take again 0 comma 0 below the 0 comma 0. If we put 0 comma 0 and substitute in the place of x and y here, what you will get? 0 is greater than or equal to 2. Is it possible? Not possible. So interior of this line is not possible. So outer only this is possible. So if you want to check, suppose I take 0 comma 4. So if 0 comma 4 as substitute panna, so your answer will be 4 greater than or equal to 2. In the place of y, just to put the 4. Yeah, is it correct? So exterior only true. Exterior only true. So this is the region for this line. Okay, and this is the region for this line. And then next, what is the next line? This is x greater than or equal to 5. This is our next line. X is greater than or equal to 5 is our next line. Right? Same here. So there are 2 points. So one is 5 after and then before 5. So I just take again 0 comma 0, substitute here. 0 greater than or equal to 5. Is it correct? This is not correct. Okay, I just take 6 points. Point 6 and substitute here. 6 greater than or equal to 5. Yeah, is it correct only? So in the side, the right hand side only true. Correct, right hand side only true. So in the line only region is directed. Okay, so this is a region. For this region we have to shade. What is the region common between these three regions. So this place is common between only two lines, correct? Here there is no region. So this is the no common between, there is no region. So this is the common between three regions. Look at that. This is arrow, this is arrow, this is arrow. So this is the common between. So we have to shade here only. We have to shade. Yeah. This is our shaded region.